go to the elevator at the KeyBank parking garage. Brooklyn, Ohio. Got an Otis Series bottom. Here it is. It's hospital sized. Extra buttons that light up for some reason. Alright, here we go. Other time for some reason. Door close works. There's your phone. Cab view. Pretty basic cab. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Rear one. Take it back up to 3. There's the top floor of the garage. The KeyBank buildings themselves are over there. I'm not getting in those. I'm not even gonna try. There's the Fairfield Inn and Suites over there. And behind it is the Hampton Inn that almost burned down and the extended stay haircut. Look at that cool sign.